Hi guys, good morning. Time check, it's 11:18 in the morning, July 12, 2024. Here in Temple, Texas, USA. So I've been working for my moringa tree here. And then thank you for the Starbucks. So I've been in Starbucks, guys, getting some coffee waste like this one. Just tell the cashier or any employee that you can talk with. They can give you this one. You can use this one for organic fertilizer for your plants. Look at my plants there. Alright, so I've been using biodegradable like leaves, like kitchen waste, and so on and so forth. So instead of buying some buying some fertilizer in the store, you can use the organic